Hey everyone, you might have noticed that after shutting down your computer, your keyboard or your mouse or both of them are still on, which seems incredibly annoying if in the middle of the night your RGB light is flashing away. But why is this, and is there something you can do about it? Well, the short answer is it's by design, because many motherboards actually support something called wake up events, which is where basically if you double click your left mouse button, then the computer boots back up. So even if you've shut down, you can actually have your computer do that. The annoying thing though is by default you don't get that behavior, so you don't get your computer turning on, but the actual wake up event monitoring system is still running, meaning that your keyboard and your mouse still have power run into them to detect the potential wake up events. You basically get the worst of both worlds. You can't actually smartly turn on your computer or whatever, but equally you get the lights running all the time. And unfortunately there's no easy way of solving this within your operating system itself. Some people do say within Windows that you should go into your device manager section, locate the USB for your keyboard and your mouse, and make sure that allow to wake up PC isn't ticked. In other words, that it's off. But the thing is, this is off by default, so often this isn't actually the main thing. But you should check that, if you've been messing around in Device Manager and your USBs, and you're changing some of the power management settings, you should check that firstly, just to make sure that actually that isn't ticked and that's not what's contributing to things. The second thing you can do though is turn off your computer at the wall. For example, if you've got a switch, then you can just turn that off. So that is something you can do, although I actually prefer to leave mine on. But the ultimate fix, I just wanted to get those other two things out of the way, the ultimate fix is to go into your motherboard and the BIOS and actually change things within there. Because your BIOS should have some sort of option about USB power, it should say something about soft state or S5, and often this is on by default and you need to turn it off, and then you won't have that monitoring for wake up events and things like that, and your keyboard and mouse will stay off. And not all BIOSes will allow you to change this, but many of them will. It's quite a common setting. But if you're not sure, check your motherboard manual and actually see how you can access the BIOS, and then look up, soft state or power on state or S5, search for those sort of terms and see if there's any settings related to that. And that wraps up this video. If you've got any more questions, please drop me a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and please subscribe to see more shorter videos like this. Thanks for watching.